So now let's see how we can work around with pattern overlay and glow effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with pattern overlay and glow effect, first of all, I'm going to go around and make a shape right here. Let me just drag in the edges. And then I'm going to go around over here onto the blending mode right here. And over here, you can see that this is what you have. If I were to go around onto pattern overlay right here, then you can see that pattern is overlaid right here. You can dissolve it out, you can multiply it out right here and so forth and work around with the opacity as you can see. You can also change around the angle right here and scale it out as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the offset X and the offset Y right here just like this as well and change around the angle. Apart from that, you can also go around and work around with outer glow right here. So the background is already white, so you don't see it right there, but you can go around and change around the opacity. Let me just go around and close this out right here, and I'm going to drag in another shape right here just like this and send it to the background right here, and then go around, make it black. So over here in the shape, I'm going to go around onto blending mode right here, and then I'm going to go around and then click on outer glow right here just like this. If I were to go around over here and spread it out right here, change around the size, then this is what you have as you can see. You can change around the opacity of the glow right here and then change around the noise level as well. You can also go around and change around the contour level as you can see right here just like this, and change around the range right here just like this, and change around the jitter right here just like this as well, and press OK. So this is what you have, and that is how you can work around with the pattern overlay and glow effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.